What's the meaning of chapter house? Chapter house. Chapter house.
Chapter house. Chapter house. A chapter house is a building traditionally used by Christian religious orders for meetings and administrative purposes. It serves as a place of gathering for members to discuss business, plan events, and make decisions. Chapter houses were often located near the site of a monastery or cathedral and were used primarily by monks, nuns, or clergy. The term can also refer to the governing body of a religious order. Today, some chapter houses have been repurposed for other uses while others remain in use by religious communities.